Oh, there it goes. Underneath my car. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's try this again. So basically they made it a squared off screw so that it does not have any problem. So this is what happens when I get too curious is I break things. Here it goes. Had it there for a second. Oh yeah. Probably just gonna fast forward through this part if you want. There we go. Now we can fit the wire into here. Basically, whenever you put in a wire, you always want to put the barrel here and here. Put that in there. Excuse me. Oh. Here. Put that through here. Okay, there you go. So you see how much tension that builds up on there? Now I'm gonna have to put this on there. Okay. Oh, okay. So what I found for putting a pin back into a chain, the easiest way for me at least, is you'll find a zip tie, a small one, doesn't have to be too big. A good sized zip tie that can fit around a pair of needle nose pliers. And so we'll do that in here in just a second. Do that. Then you find your pin, which is right there. And then you put it on like that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Then you fit a zip tie around it. Oh poop, that zip tie is too small. Well, I guess we'll have to shouldn't be carrying this over here. But just get a big one, I guess. Had to pop. Then you zip tie this so it can hold it without your fingers holding onto it. About to put the pin in. See, just like that. Oh, came undone. But basically, you want something like this to hold on to it, because you're going to also need vice grips, either that or a hammer. Either one works great. So just set that aside for now. And then we're going to, is it holding on to the chain? To the thing? I'm going to tighten this up here. And you're going to need a small screwdriver to just seems a tad bit off. Maybe if I do this, it will help. Can't quite tell, because it doesn't seem like it's right underneath first gear. I think it matters that much either way, but let's go ahead and fiddle with the gears here. There we go. Seems to work. Then you're gonna lay that. Put that through the, put the chain in the cage. Again. Vice grips. You're gonna need some vice grips. If you don't know what vice grips are, maybe if your dad has some or a friend. Basically, there's these, and what it is you keep applying pressure and it'll hold it there, and you can adjust it. It's like an adjustable wrench, except in a plier version. So they're very they help with a lot of stuff. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to take the chain and you're going to squeeze it down, just like that. Okay. So, let's get this here. Because then crap like this happens, okay? And it sucks. Maybe if I could just... I'm gonna try getting a grip on it, just like this. Okay? You wanna pinch it just like this. Here we go. Alright, now that you have that, you're gonna use your thumb, or whatever you can. Oh, I remember what I did last time is I held it right there. Bring this over here. Then you're gonna try to find that place where that poop. Are you kidding me?